We here at F-Secure don't want our apps to be a bother. We want you to be secure. But what's the point if it slows you down and prevents you from enjoying your online life? That's why we designed our internet security app Safe to be strong as a fortress, but light as a feather. With the old kind of internet security, your device would constantly be at work to protect you. But in F-Secure Safe, everything is checked by our security cloud before reaching your devices, so you can surf uninterrupted and carefree. Speaking of surfing, Safe also protects you from malicious websites. People are tricked into visiting sites that look familiar, but are actually fake and allow criminals to steal passwords and run away with them. Safe blocks these websites. When accessing your online bank, Safe adds yet another layer of protection and stops your computer from connecting to anywhere that might be unsafe. Whether it's an existing virus or the latest cybercrime innovation, Safe has your back thanks to constant automatic updates and special features like ransomware protection. Your money and devices are safe and in good hands. One subscription for all your family's devices. Parental controls to give kids a safe online environment. World-class subscription that has won multiple awards. Safe comes from F-Secure, a veteran cybersecurity company with a 30-year track record of protecting millions of people around the world. Get it now.